We're gonna start with our dark chocolate, butter, let's melt. Perfect texture. This is the base of our brownies. To the big bowl. Flour, eggs, sugar, brown sugar, maple syrup. Yes, golden and delicious. Our prepared chocolate, and our spices, which consist of ginger, allspice, and cinnamon. Perfect brownie batter texture. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking pan with parchment paper. This will prevent the brownies from sticking and will make it a lot easier to pull them out of the pan after. Spread it across our pan, and now we bake for about 30 minutes. Perfect. So fudgy and delicious.